Okay, we're here with Jack Preston. He's having some bumbo time. He's 4 weeks today.
He's doing so good.
He's doing so good. Hi, Jack. Jackie. Hey, Jack. Oh. Oh, bless you,
no.
baby. He's doing pretty good, keeping his head up, keeping his balance. Huh.
Hi, Jack.
Oh, Grubby. Okay, good job in the bumpo today.